Here's the full sequence of all three meeting phrases. Shadow this. Say it with us, matching the rhythm and pace. Ready?
From my perspective, the most effective approach would be to revisit the timeline. I'd like to build on what you said and take it one step further. That raises an important question worth examining.
Your turn. Shadow the full sequence.
Incredible work. For those 3 sentences, your brain was not translating, it was responding. That's the difference, that's the goal.
We've put together a free PDF for this episode. It's called the Natural English Immersion Starter Kit. 30 phrases your brain will absorb the natural way, the same way a child does, plus a 7-day practice plan.
The download link is in the description. Completely free, no sign up required. Print it. Keep it next to your screen during your next meeting.